Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is moving day and it is a rainy day and it's crazy, but we are here. We are just about to move the stuff in. We're right in front of my door. And yeah, so today's moving day. Super excited. I'm very tired. Been packing, been lifting boxes. I feel like I got my workout for like the entire month. Just gonna be slowing it down. Oh gosh, my voice. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go in. It's actually raining also as well, really heavy. I just want like the rain to kind of like slow down a bit so that I can like run in. um yeah, I don't have an umbrella, like, oh gosh. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside. It's moving in day and this is just a move-in vlog, so nothing is gonna be organized today. So all you're gonna be seeing is a bunch of boxes, a lot of chaos, but hopefully an organized chaos because I packed things. um what did I prepare today? Yeah, so I pre-planned a couple of things. I had made a lasagna which I traveled with today, so we're gonna be having that in a little bit. I'm just buying myself some time while the rain kind of like settles down a bit. As you can see, it's still raining. It's slowing down as well. So that's what we're going to be doing today. It's just moving boxes in. I already have the internet person here for internet installation. I had booked everything, kind of like I tried to book everything for today. um there's lots more videos coming up. We still have to shop for the home. The only thing that I've done so far was shop for the children's bed. I went to IKEA and they're going to be delivering that today as well, so the delivery person is going to be calling me shortly for that. Yeah, so I have a few people lined up today in terms of coming for delivery. I'm not quite sure if the couch people are coming today, but yeah, so that's all I have for today, what I have planned for today. Yeah, so I just want the feet and the traffic to go in right now, everything get done, and then the rest is just going to be settling in, and then we're going to be tackling one room at a time, and then later on we're going to be tackling the decor element of things. Okay guys, so I have my hair up in protective hairstyle, I guess. Yeah, so moving is not easy with two babies. Okay, so see you guys in there.
Okay guys, so this is the day before all the stuff in the garage. We decided to load it the night before simply because we had to make an early trip out over to the home and let a few people in because we had an appointment. And this is what we ran into: the weather as well as traffic. So we had quite a ways to drive, and I was very happy that we ended up starting off early morning, simply because we got a lot of things done throughout the day rather than starting the move a little later on. So once the rain settled a bit, the real work got started. We ended up moving in a lot of things in, and I prefer when we move in like boxes, if it's labeled upstairs, downstairs, or living room, I prefer just to leave that box in that location. So we ended up doing that a lot and just kind of getting things out of the way. And so far, these are the only boxes that were pretty much in the living room. There isn't much in the living room. As you guys remembered, a lot of things in the living rooms were damaged. So a lot of this stuff we would have to be replacing. Most of the boxes were mainly for upstairs and some of the new things that I had purchased along the way, just knowing that we're going to be coming back home. And so, yeah, we were just moving things around and just making sure that everything is situated in the area that we're going to be unpacking it. So I brought downstairs the stuff that had to do with my husband's office downstairs, and any other kind of like winter stuff. We like to keep our winter stuff and things like that downstairs. So I brought that stuff downstairs. My sister ended up coming over to help me with the move. It honestly really helps kind of, with the whole move, if you have people really helping you out, even if it's just to watch the kids and just so that you can get things done. So I didn't have like the kids in my way. So sometimes she'd be distracting the kids, or she'd be doing something with them, or I will have them and she would just kind of continue. So we were helping each other out really well like that. So here I am in the kitchen unpacking some of the grocery stuff that we had with us throughout the week, where we were staying by with Grandpa, and things like that that we had purchased and just bought that we were going through, and I'm just putting them away. This is not in any particular organizational fashion or anything. This is just to get it out of the way because it is a small space, a small kitchen. I don't want so much things on the counter because I'm still bringing in things. So if I can just shove things away quickly, and I had to put some stuff in the fridge that was quite a little bit more sensitive and things like that, just to get things out of the way because there's still things kind of coming in to the house. I also ended up starting to heat up that lasagna because everybody was hungry. It was hitting about 11:30, close to like lunchtime. Everybody was hungry, and believe me, this lasagna really saved the day. That's what we ended up having with some garlic bread. We toasted that up, and I literally just put a little bit of thought into this. I cooked it the day before, and then I put it in the fridge, and then there we have it. We had a fresh lasagna, and all we had to do was heat it up, and it was good to go. So in coming to the house, we ended up arriving later than our grandpa. So grandpa was already there. He arrived early because I had already made appointments with like people that are installing the internet, as well as people that were delivering things, and they usually give windows, and they don't give you like a set time. And I was coming quite far, and grandpa had left the house quite early just to make it there, and that he can let them in so they can start the job. So by the time I reached there, like the internet person reached there already, and grandpa was able to let him in, and he got started on the internet, and grandpa ended up hanging the TV for me. And I had a couple other things that I wanted to hang around the house. Oh my goodness, it was such a help. And he ended up hanging my shelf as well, which I will show you guys in a bit. So this lasagna saved the day. Like I said, it really saved the day. And a shout out to grandma. Thank you for reminding me to pack these plates right here and the forks, because literally I had forgotten it, and she was the one who reminded me last minute. It's like, you need to pack this because you don't have anything to eat that lasagna that you made with. So thank you, grandma, for that. So we took the much needed break and had some lunch, and it was good. Nothing fancy here, just lounging as fit. So once lunch was out of the way, I just continued on with, an order of business, getting things done. I try to do as much as possible because of like the help that I had. I just wanted to get a few things out of the way. So right now I'm just opening up the temporary blinds. We got these from IKEA when I wanted to go buy the kids bed. So I got some temporary blind. It was my sister-in-law who told me about these. I didn't even know that they had these temporary things. They're super amazing. They stay for the time being until you figure out like your curtain or your whatever it is that you have to put up, just to cover for privacy's sake. So this really helped. So I just ended up working on that because later on I didn't want to do it. I just kind of want to get that out of the way so that we have a little bit of privacy around the home in the evening when we're turning off the lights. As you can see, it's very simple. You just simply remove the strip, and you're going to get a sticky adhesive section, and that's the section that you're going to place on your surface, the very top. And then you can customize it as well. You can cut it according to size so that you can just customize it, and it comes to the length as well that you want. So you can cut the bottom as well. So depending on like the length of your window, you can just customize it easily and just attach the top like that. They're very easy to apply, and it doesn't damage the walls or your trims at all. So there was other stuff in my garage that the restoration company was able to salvage in the home, and I was going to be checking that out to see what's inside some of those boxes, because I have no idea what I have and what I don't have. So at least it'll give me an idea, but I wasn't going to go through everything. I was just going to pick a few boxes. Hopefully I land on some lucky boxes that may potentially have like maybe like forks or spoons or things like that, or even cups. So I'm going to see later on, and I'm sure you're going to see it in this video as well. So I'm going to be going in the garage for that. So as you can see, all the blinds are up. The kids are still just having fun, kind of like, you know, thank goodness the internet is up, so at least that can keep them occupied while I get things done around the house. So these are the shelves I got Grandpa to hang for me. I got these shelves from IKEA. I got a couple of them, some for my upstairs bathroom. So he hung them for me. He didn't hang the upstairs one yet, but he's going to be coming back just to help me hang a lot more stuff around the home. And once all of that stuff was out of the way, that's when we decided to do like a light clean. My husband was just vacuuming. My sister did like a light mop all around because it was raining outside and we was moving things all around. So we just wanted a clean surface so that we can kind of like just settle for the remaining of the day. We had just a few more things to do. I was so grateful for the help, so grateful that my sister came over and my husband was also cleaning. Everybody was just helping, pitching in, doing their part just to help the transition, because moving is not easy. It is a lot of work, definitely a lot of work. And these were the boxes that we ended up getting in the garage. We got a couple of boxes. We didn't take a whole lot. And yes, we landed on a couple of lucky ones, and we decided it's like, hey, we're already opening them. We're seeing some of the things that are in there. Let's just put it in the dishwasher, run a couple of loads, and, you know, get some clean dishes. And that's exactly what we did while we were just looking through it. I was happy to see some of my stuff, honestly. Like, it's good to be home. It's good to be home. The kids are super tired. We made a quick nap spot for them on this side and pushed everything else on the other side.
Okay, guys, so that is it for my video today of just moving in. I am super exhausted. We're just gonna chill now. Not everything is in place, but we definitely brought everything in. It is a gray, rainy day today, but we did it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, just to be up to date on what we're going to be doing next and what we're going to be posting next. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye.